What's up guys, I'm Ronin-SC here. Long time no see. I remember I need to update my channel. So today let's talk about the Meta Hacker Cup 2023 practice run. Problem A1, cheeseburger and corollary 1. Sorry, I had a cold so my voice is not good. By the way, I can't take part in the 2024 Meta Hacker Cup because in our country have a computer computation. Yeah, it's about algorithm and data structure. So I need to take part in that. I don't have any time to take part in Meta Hacker Cup, so I give up this competition. Okay, so first I'll show you how I solved this problem. I just use very simple math skills and some basic knowledges about C++. If you don't know what is C++, this is a computer programming language. Yeah, that's it. So we can see the description. Here, input format integer t. So we don't need to care about t because t is symbol of test cases. You can see there are 7 test cases. This one is t. There are 7 test cases and one by one, right? So we need to care about S and D and K. S is symbol of single burger and D is symbol of double burger. K is symbol of decker. So K is random, K is 3, K is 5. It doesn't matter. Finally, we need to use program to calculate K. That's it. For example, you have one single burger and one double burger. There are 4 bread in total, right? And you have 3 patties in total. And you can build a 3-decker burger, right? 3-decker burger have 4 bread, and it's just the single burger's bread plus double burger's bread, right? And the 3-decker burger have 3 patties, and it is one single burger's patties and one double burger's patty. And 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So finally you can build this 3-decker burger. And this is the first test cases. The answer is yes, because we can build a 3-decker burger. And K is 3, but we can see the second test cases. The single burger is 0, but the double burger is 2. So we don't need to care single burger. We just need to care about double burger. There are 4 bread in total and 4 patties in total, but we can't build a 4-decker burger because it's not enough. So this is a main idea about this problem. Code time. So first we need to write some basic structures like this. In main function, we need to set in the test cases number. It's t. And we need to use an integer variable. And we need to input this. So we use C And you can see the special about the output, the test cases 1, test case 2, test case 3. So we need to set in a loop. We use for loop. So first test case is 1 and the second is 2, and we use I++ to update. Yeah, and we need to output test cases, and we use cout. First is case. This is a string, and this one, I don't know this how to spell in English, so okay. So second is I. Oh, you need to output a space. Okay. So let's test this one. For example 3. Oh, I forget that. We need this. So let's try again. Okay. So what's wrong? Oh, here. Oh, it is right. This one is simple of the program is over, and we need to build a new function. The name is silver. So the first thing we need to input SD and K. Use saying. We just need to follow the rules about description, and let's calculate the bread. The bread is single +2, double +2. Okay. what is PTs? Oh, the PT is single and double plus together. Okay. I also, is it correct? Okay. Single and double. If I build a 3-decker burger, we just need to use 4 bread. Okay, it is K plus 1. The PT is K. Okay, I understand. So, we need to judge this answer. Use if. If K plus 1 bread and if this one is not enough, we need to output no. So let's test this. Yes, no, yes, 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 no. Okay, the answer is correct. But we need to improve this one. It's not beautiful. Okay, this is correct, and we can submit this code. First, you need to download the 4 input. You need to know some basic Linux command. Okay, test.txt. Okay, submit. Wait, okay, this is correct. This is easy. If I have time, I'll update the A2 and B and C. So subscribe my channel and see you next time. Peace.